So anytime, all the times between A and C, not including A and C. So I would write that in all the times between A and C, I would write it A, comma, C, with parentheses indicating from A to C, but not including A and C. And then when is it negative?
C to D.
Including either of them?
D.
Including what?
D.
D, yeah. So not including C, but is including D. When is the velocity positive?
From A to B.
Yep. Including either of them? And?
A.
And B? Is B included?
I think B's included.
No,
It is
Just
C.
A.
Lost power there.
When it goes from positive to negative velocity, it has to stop
It has to
the turnaround. It stops at B, that's the peak. So B is, I should have started with where is it 0, but this would be includes A, B, but not including B.
Okay.
And when is the velocity negative?
B leads to
E to D.
B to D. B to D.
So not including D because it's 0. And it is including D. And now acceleration.
Which one? Positive, negative, or 0?
When is it, oh, when is it positive? When is it anything?
It's not.
It's 0 at A.
It's 0 at A. Oh, nope, you changed your mind?
I thought it was all
I
positive.
think zero.
Sorry, what
I
was that?
thought the whole thing was positive. I thought it was all positive.
All right, so in this first part right here, my velocity was positive. Over here, my velocity was negative. In this first part, is it speeding up or slowing down?
Yeah.
If I throw a ball, it speeds up as it goes to the peak. We have very different life experiences.
It would be B to D then?
It's speed, you're saying it's speeding up from B to D?
Or B to A.
Coming down, B to D.
So B to D is speeding up or slowing down?
It's speeding up.
I hope so.
So
We're ignoring air resistance for those people who are about to pull that one out. So it's speeding up, so the acceleration and velocity have the same sign. So since velocity is 0, acceleration is, since velocity is negative, acceleration is negative. So I know it's negative from B to D. What about from A to B? Speeding up or slowing down?
Slowing down.
Yes, slowing down has been my experience. If you jump up into the air, see if you speed up. Once you're in the air. Once you're in the air, you slow down until you get to a peak, and then, so if I'm slowing down, velocity and acceleration are opposite sides. So acceleration would be negative. So what happens at B?
Zero.
It does stop. Does the velocity constant at that point? Or does the velocity change?
It changes.
Velocity changes, therefore we have acceleration is not 0.
It's still negative.
This is a turnaround point.
Yes, it's negative.
It is negative. In terms of force, once it leaves the hand, what is the force acting on the ball? Yes, just that. And in which direction is the weight acting on it?
Down.
Pushing it in.
In the negative direction, because I said up is positive. So it is negative the entire time. Now, this way of presenting it is one of 4 different ways of presenting this. There's a PowerPoint that I have posted where I go through other ways of presenting the same information, including if you feel like writing it out in sentences. But if that's your thing. On to the last question of the first test. When I give you the test level problem, not this, we'll do one of those next week. When they do the test level problem, I say, pick one of the following formats to answer. There are 4 different formats on the next page, and you pick one of them in which to express your answer. Some students feel, you know what, I'm just gonna do all 4. If you wanna do all 4, you've got, I guess, nothing else better to do. please make sure all those four answers match each other. It is really perplexing to me when somebody does all four of them and their answers are not the same. I guess it tells me something about whether the person understands the problem or not, but this group will not make that mistake. Please. Others have sacrificed themselves so that we can learn. Anyway, have a nice weekend, and I guess I'll see you Tuesday. Don't forget there is.
No labs tomorrow?
Tomorrow?
Oh, I'll see you tomorrow. Today is Thursday, it's not Friday.
Yeah, as much as we.
I woke up this morning going, all right, what day is today? Is it Saturday? No, it's not Saturday.
Hey, you got that on recording too.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Don't show that one to the